Hello friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will see how to get this config code. Okay, so let's go to Firebase and here I need to click on this home icon. So this is the project overview. Let me check from where we should get. Okay, let's click on project settings. Let me see actually because okay, here in the project settings, if you go here, it is written there are no apps in your project. So you need to click on this icon. Okay, this opening and closing tag. So let's click here and we need to give a name of this application. So I'll just say Instagram. Okay, please make sure to write a correct spelling. We don't require Firebase hosting, so let's click on register app. Okay, so now here we are getting this config. So let's copy this code. You will also get a similar code like this. So you need to copy your code and then here we need to paste it. Okay, so let me save this. Now we need to do the most important thing, that is we need to import this seed file, okay, which we have created. So this we need to run only once, so don't make any mistake. So import seed from, okay, let me do it this way, from dot slash dot slash seed. Okay, let me save this file. So here let me check seed.js. So this is the function name is seed database. So let me copy this and here we need to paste it. Okay, let me save this. So this is fine. Now let's call this file only once. So here I'll type seed database and here we need to pass Firebase. Okay, let me save this file and let's go to the browser. Okay, it is refreshing. Now let's check in the Firebase. So let me continue to console and here we need to go to Firestore Database. Okay, so here as you can see, oh, how many users are we getting? So it's one, two, okay. We might have run it twice. So let's see. Daniel, Stephen, Samir, Daniel. Okay. Daniel, Stephen, okay, Carlos. So might ran twice. So what I'll do is in my case, okay, the photos are also duplicate. So maybe I'll just delete the user which are duplicated. So, but let me check this where we need to check 6R. Okay, the user ID is correct. Okay, so let me check this again. F3, yeah, the user ID is correct. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll delete the duplicate users which have been created. So Daniel, Stephen, Kapadia, Samir, Daniel again. So this user I don't require. So how to delete? This will delete data from the document. Let me delete Daniel, Daniel. Okay, so it is deleting one by one, which I think this is not this is not the right way. Okay. What if I delete the collection? The user will get deleted, which I don't want. So in my case, something went wrong and I'm getting this duplicate. So let me see what I can do. Delete the document. Okay, one second. So let me delete the document. Start delete. Okay. That user is deleted. Okay, fine. Daniel, Stephen. Okay, Daniel is gone. Stephen is there. So let me delete this document. Carlos, we need that. Samir is extra one. I'm going to delete this. Maybe in your case, you might get only 4 users. So now it is okay. We are getting 4 users. Okay, and even the photos are duplicate. So we need to delete. I need to delete. Okay, maybe in your case, it might be only coming once. So 1 second, let me check again. So it is duplicated. Photo ID 1, user ID 2, photo ID 2, photo ID 3, and photo ID 4. Okay, so now this is photo ID 4 again. So let me delete this. Photo ID 1 again. So let me delete this. We need only 4 photos, right? So 4 or 5 photos. 5, yeah, 5 photos. Photo ID 2, delete the document. Okay, now 1, photo ID 1 is there. Photo ID 2 is there, photo ID 3 is there, photo ID 4 is there, and photo ID 5 is there. So now all the data is correct. So sorry guys, in your case it might not be the issue, but here I don't know why it happened. So let me delete this. We don't require to run it again. So let's remove this. And now I'll save this file. And now if I refresh, let's see what we are getting. Okay, so photos users are 4 and photos are 5. So that's great. Let me refresh once. Okay, users photos are 5, user are 4. Okay, fine. So this is working for me. Please, if you are getting duplicates, so just check the IDs, okay, and then you can just delete it according to that ID. Okay, this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.